You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is r equals -3/8. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all r terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2r from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1/4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the r into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. And so the final result is r equals -3/8.